A mass sexual assault on New Year's Eve in Cologne has shocked Germany. The attacks, in which hundreds of women were molested and robbed, have raised fundamental questions about policing and public safety. Worse, evidence that the assailants may have been young men from North Africa and the Middle East has lit a fuse under German immigration policy, and especially under Angela Merkel's open-door refugee policy. The Chancellor faces an unprecedented political backlash. The passions were very visible in Cologne on Saturday, where rival demonstrators organised 3 separate protests. The most serious was a right-wing march against immigration, which ended in violence after some protesters threw bottles and fireworks. Nearby, left-wing groups demonstrated against the right-wing extremists, calling for a multicultural Germany. And not far away, women's rights activists called for an end to sexual violence, whether on the street or at home. Ms. Merkel has responded with promises to crack down hard on immigrants convicted of serious crimes. She is pledging to extend judges' rights to order deportations in such cases.
Dass das Recht auf einen Aufenthaltsstatus und auf ein Asylverfahren verwirkt werden kann, wenn Strafen ausgesprochen werden, sei es auf Bewährung oder sei es auch Freiheitsstrafen.
But since Germany deports very few people anyway, this can only be a small part of the answer. Ms. Merkel is also working to slow down the huge inflow of refugees, which topped 1 million last year. And she is putting renewed emphasis on integration. As well as German language lessons, refugees will be required to learn and respect the rules of living in Germany, including women's rights. But that, as everybody involved recognises, is a long, slow process. This is Stefan Wagstill for the Financial Times in Berlin.